triplet. A triplet is a group of 3 notes played in the same time as 2. Now we can play this again by saying a count, which this time is 1 ID, 2 ID, or we can say it with a polyrhyme of triplet, triplet, okay? So the triplet is a continuous rhythm that doesn't break, all right? So let's go for it first. And again, starting with our pinch grip hand, let's play the triplet with the count of 1 ID. After 2, 1, 2, 1 ID, 2 ID, 1 ID, 2 ID, 1 ID, 2 ID, 1 ID, stop. With the polyrhythm, and again, starting with your pinch grip hand, which is your right hand, after 2, 1, 2, triplet, 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 stop. Okay? The accented triplet. So an accent in music is where you apply more stress to the note. So how we do that in drumming is that we lift our stick higher and we hit the beat harder. So if you look at your notes, you'll see there's a little arrow-like symbol above the first note in each triplet there. And that basically means the first note of each triplet, you lift your stick and you hit it harder. But the important thing in this as well is to remember, you lift your stick up harder, higher, and you hit the beat harder. But the 2 beats in between, if you try and keep your stick action nice and level, it will give you a lot more definition, okay? So, let's try the accented triplet. And again, you can say it by counting the 1 ID, 2 ID rhythm, or by the polyrhythm, triplet, triplet, okay? So, lifting our stick, pinch grip hand to start with, and we start with the accent on the first beat. So after 2, 1, 2, 1 ID, 2 ID, 1 ID, 2 ID, 1 ID, 2 ID, 1 ID, stop. Okay, now with the polyrhythm. After 2, 1, 2, triplet, 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 stop. Okay? The triplet hand exercise. This hand exercise is specifically geared towards helping you to utilise and learn how to use your fingers on your pinch grip hand, which is your right hand, okay? And your toy gun grip hand, which is your left hand. Utilise your thumb and how to use your thumb. So when you learn how to do this, it makes drumming so much easier. It's a really, really valuable technique. Okay, so what you do is, your fingers just basically move the stick like that. It's like a little twitch in your hand, if you can see that. Okay? In your toy gun grip hand, it basically is like a little twitch in your thumb. So you're not moving your wrist, you're just moving your thumb. Your thumb's controlling the stick. All right? So if you hit that off the pad, it should be like that. And your thumb should learn to do just that. So you're not moving your arms or wrists at all. Okay? So the first line in it, we do 3 in each hand, just to help you get used to doing this. So the first line, we do 3 in each hand. And on the second line, we do 6 in each hand. So we'll go with the first line first. So again, you can say it with a polyrhythm or the 1 ID count. So we'll stick with the 1 ID count for now. So after 2, 1, 2, 1 ID, 2 ID, 1 ID, 2 ID, 1 ID, 2 ID, 1 ID, 2 ID, stop. The second line, we now play 2 triplets in each hand. So in simple terms, that means you're going to play 6 in each hand. So again, with the 1 ID count. After 2, pinch grip hand first. 1, 2, 1 ID, 2 ID, 1 ID, 2 ID, 1 ID, 2 ID, 1 A, D, D, A, D, stop. Okay?